Happy New Year, everyone. Today we're going to take a quick look at the completed run and gun rig I have for my, I guess we'll call it my moto blogging type of setup, or my, selfie blogging setup using the GoPro Hero 10, the Rode Wireless Go, and the GoPro Mic Adapter. Also, I'm using the Ulanzi snap mount in order to connect all of these components together, and the Ulanzi cage, which is the G9-14. So guys, let's jump over to the original unboxing of this new cage from Ulanzi, and then at that point we'll build this out and I'll show you guys exactly how I set this up. All right, let's get started. Today we're going to take a look at a metal cage from Ulanzi, the G9-14. It's a metal cage for the GoPro Hero 9 as well as the new GoPro Hero 10. Let's see what comes in the box. Okay guys, this is what's in the box. As you can see, it comes very well wrapped with our favorite bubble wrap. And here's our cage. This is a metal constructed cage. It has a rear door, a side door, a mic adapter for your GoPro. It has a total of 3 cold shoes, one here, one on the top, and then the cold shoe that's used for the mic adapter. The mic adapter can be removed, but take note that this cold shoe is the best location for your mic adapter. As you can see, there's a little indentation here, and on the mic adapter itself there's a small ball bearing, and that allows it to lock in place like so. In order to get your GoPro into this cage, there's a button here that says push. You just push forward and this rear door opens and you can easily close it. And then here at the bottom, there's another door. And as you can see, the little arrows pointing away, press that forward and then you can open this door as well. So let's put our GoPro inside. You would take your GoPro and just slide it into the cage. This door has to be open. Then you can just slide it into the cage like so. Then at that point you can close the cage, then close this door, and now your GoPro is ready to be accessorized. And as you can see here at the top, you still have access to your start and stop button. You have access to your mode button. You have complete access to your screen. Here at the bottom, you have 2 magnetic feet. And you also have a 1/4-20 if you wanted to use a traditional tripod to mount this. Overall, I think this is a really nice cage. You also have 2 additional 1/4-20s up here at the top that you could attach accessories like a magic arm or something like that. All right guys, that's pretty much it. The metal cage from Ulanzi. This is the G9-14. Let's accessorize this new setup and I'll show you guys some of the other accessories that I'm using to put this system together. Let's get to it. All right guys, let's get right to setting up this system. The first thing we want to do is to add the GoPro mic adapter. So here's our mic adapter. All right, just like that guys, you can attach your mic adapter here to the side of this cage. As you see how it's mounted. So if you guys have seen some of my other unboxings of previous cages that I've tested for the GoPro Hero 10, I am a fan of the GoPro mic adapter being underneath the cage. But for this specific application, I think this is going to be a good workaround. that would be universal for, exactly the way that I plan on using this GoPro as well as the cage. One of the advantages to this type of cage is that easily enough, if I'm doing a shoot where I don't require an additional microphone, it's very simple to remove the mic adapter without doing anything to the cage. So you could just come here, unplug your mic adapter, detach it, and there you go. But in most cases, we want external, audio coming in from, Rode Wireless Go or some type of microphone. So we'd go ahead and keep this connected. Okay, and make sure that that's in there pretty well. And I'm going to adjust this up just a little bit so that there's no tension on the cable. And then I'll just tighten that back down. Okay, so we're good to go. So the next thing I would do is add my mounting system. And the system that I'm going to be using today is the Ulanzi snap mounts. This is the GP-16. And I'm just going to add this like so. And you see that gives it a very low profile. It fits perfectly behind the cage. Then I'm just going to add a screw to secure everything. Now at this point, I can kind of use this stand or this mount like a little tabletop stand if I wanted to, which is pretty cool. So the next thing I'll be adding is the Rode Wireless Go's. This is the receiver. And I just place that in the top cold shoe. Then I'm going to take the cable that comes with the Rode, plug one end into the adapter. Then I'm going to take this end of it and I'm going to route it around underneath and then bring it up like so. A little bit of cable management. So that way when this is like this, you don't have the wire, hanging all over the place. So it just kind of routes it underneath. And if you need a little bit more, leeway with it, you can just adjust it and just pull it out just a little bit. Okay, so the next thing that I'll be adding is the little mini tripod, which I already have the other half of the Ulanzi mount connected to this GoPro little mini tripod. So there you have it, guys. That's the complete setup. We have the GoPro Mic Adapter connected to the Rode Wireless Go. We have our Hero 10 in the Ulanzi cage. We also have the magnetic mounts from Ulanzi. And we have this on, a little GoPro Shorty tripod. So overall, I think this is going to be a really good little run and gun type of scenario. Now, obviously, if I'm, connecting this to my helmet, the things that I would be removing, obviously, is going to be the Rode Wireless Go and this little mini tripod. But pretty much everything else would stay, connected as you see it. And then I would run the microphone system that is inside of my helmet, connecting it directly here. So in the next video, I'll show you guys exactly how I'm setting this up to be used for my helmet. But I wanted to do a quick video this first day of the year. So if I haven't already said it, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful time last night and look forward to, a very creative 2022. All right, guys. So until the next video, stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask, take care of your loved ones, and get out there and create something amazing. If you're not already following me on YouTube here, please do so, or on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and now I'm also live 3 days a week on Amazon Live. So you can find me on Amazon Live. Link will be down in the bio. It is amazon.com/shop/Houston Professional Photography. All right, guys, I'm live there for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon. So if you're into, video editing, photography, photo manipulation, or just want to chat, just hang out with me for an hour, a couple of times a week, you're more than welcome to do so. I will be doing some giveaways, some Amazon cash cards, as well as some products that I get in from sponsors. I will be giving a lot of those items away in the near future. So I'm looking forward to a very productive year. All right, guys, so stay safe. It's been your boy Rome. I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, peace. I'm out.